Hey there guys, do you want to make this amazing PowerPoint template design? So tag along and watch till end. Go to form a background and you're gonna insert a picture from your device. I'm gonna use this higher resolution image and go to insert tab and insert the same picture onto the slide. And you're gonna go to shapes and you're gonna insert this donut shape. You're gonna place it into the center and the middle. Let's make it fully rounder. Go to insert tab and you're gonna insert a rectangle line right here. This thick. You're gonna duplicate it and go to rotate and rotate it like this into the opposite direction. First select the circle and then the rectangles and then go to subtract. You're gonna go to format shape and you're gonna give it this a shadow. Increase the transparency to 26 and increase the blur to 47%. And we're gonna insert, we're gonna give it slide background fill. Duplicate it and decrease the duplicated shape size. Duplicate it again and decrease its size as well. But be sure to make it fully rounded. Next, you're gonna expand the image size. Next, what you're gonna do is select the images, go to shape format, and you're gonna remove the outline. Duplicate the template, and you're gonna decrease the picture size on that it comes only onto the slide. And you're gonna increase the size of these rounded shapes that they are very large, and we're gonna place them into the center and the middle of the template and with equal distance and equal gaps. We're gonna go to insert tab and add a text box for the header in which we're gonna add our title. So I'm gonna use some random text and let's increase its size, change this color to white, and change this font to Irony font because I like that font very much. There you go. You can bold it as well to make it more clearer. And there you go. Now let's paste the content text. And that's it. Change this color to white as well. And let's decrease its size and let's align it. I'm gonna cut some text because it's a long paragraph. Let's align it into the middle. Let's place it, adjusting its size. There you go. That's how you put your text. Now moving on to the final step, select both templates, go to transition, and we're gonna give it more of transition, and that's how you have to make this. But go to the second template and you're gonna rotate the circles in opposite directions. And this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.